Here are 5 legit reasons why new construction is the best option for you first-time home buyers. Hi, I'm Matt Valentine, a real estate expert here in Idaho's Treasure Valley, and I'm here to help guide you through your real estate journey, no matter what stage you're at. Whether you're looking to buy or sell, or just get a better understanding of what to expect in the future, I'm your guide. Today, we're going to take a quick look at 5 reasons why purchasing new construction is the best option for first-time home buyers. Reason number 1, low maintenance costs. New homes come with brand new systems, appliances, structural components, reducing the likelihood of unexpected repairs. Many builders even offer warranties covering significant elements like roofing, plumbing, HVAC systems, giving you, the first-time home buyers, peace of mind. Number 2, modern features and energy efficiency. New construction homes are built to the latest standards, featuring energy-efficient windows, insulation, and appliances. Smart home technology is often pre-installed, offering convenience and cost savings on utilities. Perfect for the first-time buyers aiming for long-term savings. Reason number 3, reduced closing costs. Many builders are offering to cover a portion of closing costs, which can save buyers thousands of dollars. This makes the home more affordable up front, easing the financial burden for first-time buyers. Interest rate buydowns. To make homes more appealing, builders may offer temporary or permanent interest rate buydowns. This can significantly reduce the monthly mortgage payment, making it easier to budget as a new homeowner. And lastly, customization. Lots and lots of options with new construction homes. Often the seller allows the buyer to choose the finishes, the flooring, the tile, the paint colors, and even the floor plan. This level of personalization ensures the home suits your style and makes it feel like it's your home from day one. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 solid reasons why new construction is the perfect choice for first-time home buyers or existing buyers. From low maintenance costs to modern features, reduced closing costs, interest rate buydowns, and the ability to customize your dream home, it's hard to beat the benefits of starting fresh with new construction. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications so that you never miss out on more tips and advice for your real estate journey here in the Treasure Valley. 2025 is your year to be a homeowner. Whether you're looking to sell or buy, contact me today. Let's chat and make sure you love where you live. Bye.